Hi everybody, and welcome to another edition of
5 Minute Friday?
no.
Oh.
What are we doing today? Oh, hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorian. I'm here with my friend Chelsea. Hey girl.
Hey.
How you doing?
Amazing.
Me too.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm really good. Pride was this weekend. I'm a little bit tired and a little sick.
I was gonna say.
But if so, I'm like runny nose. I'm sorry. Today I want to show you guys something that is really super easy, super simple, and it's something that I personally think looks super gorgeous on women, and it is probably one of the easiest eye looks to accomplish. And it's a sunset eye. And basically what that is just what it says. In a sunset, you have the darkest level on the bottom and it kind of rises towards the lighter. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna smudge in a darker color towards the lash line, and we're gonna blend everything up until up to the brow bone into a really beautiful creamy color. Something that you can definitely do in about 5 minutes. It's not something that takes a lot of technique, and here we go.
Yeah.
So first of all, I laid down an eye primer already. So she has a beautiful eye primer in Flax from Laura Mercier. It is definitely one of my favorites. I'm gonna scoot the camera closer so that you guys can see the look up close, okay? So this look requires very little brushes. You're not really gonna use a whole lot. I love to use this guy right here from Tom Ford. It's the number 11. It's a nice fluffy brush. Flat, fluffy blending brush, a fluffier blending brush, and something to just lay down a little bit of color. We're gonna work with the Tom Ford brush first, and what I want to do is lay down a very light bone color right underneath that brow bone and all over the lid. And remember, this is a technique that you can use with any colors that you currently have in your repertoire. So now that we have that color laid down really pretty, all the way up to the brow bone, this does have a slight shimmer to it just to bring a little bit of light forward. And I am now going to use the blending brush, and I am going to dip into this color right here. And I want to apply this color right along the lash line and blend that color up, working in little circular motions, getting that color right into that crease. And the reason I love this brush is because it has a pointed tip, which really allows you to apply that color right into the crease. I think I'm liking the way this is coming out. So we're gonna pop in the second color, and we're just gonna go into a deeper crease color. So I'm gonna pop this color right into the crease, or right onto the outsides of the eye and right along the lash line. So outside of the eye and along the lash line. I do want this color to be deeper. So in a minute, I'm going to switch from this brush back to that Tom Ford brush. Now we're gonna go into a little bit deeper color. I'm really digging this mahogany right here. We're gonna lay this color down right along the lash line again and blending that color up. And as you can see, we are already getting the effect we're looking for with a darker lash line kind of blending up towards the top of the eye. We're just going to keep doing this until we achieve the color that we're looking for, or the intensity that we're looking for. And we are almost there. And last color we're going to use is this deep brown right here. So this color is going to be smudged into the lash line, and we're going to blend that up at an angle almost. Super easy, super simple. And the great thing about this is that you are going to use those same colors on the bottom lash line so that we can kind of also smoke that out. So starting with your lightest color, look up for me. I'm going to place that color right underneath, all the way towards the corner of the eye. Grab that deeper color and use that on the outsides, kind of connecting the top and the bottom. I would pull 3/4 of the way in. Next deep color, right onto the outsides. And last, we're gonna grab that brown. And I think I do want to deepen that top color a little bit. So with my application brush, which is flat and dense, I'm gonna intensify that base color. And switching to my fluffier brush, fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. We're gonna blend that color out. If you noticed, I went in at an angle, so we have the darker color deeper and a little bit thicker right towards the outside of the eye, and we're leaving the inner corner of the eye nice and bright. And then I like to grab a really fluffy brush and just finish blending in all those colors together. And because we use these like really warm brown tones.
Nothing like a San Diego sunset.
Oh, Sunset Cliffs, it's my favorite spot in San Diego.
That's where you got engaged.
That's where I got engaged, yeah. So, as you saw before, it was a much lighter finish, but I really wanted to do something that was going to smoke her eye out and give the color of her eye a little bit more intensity. With these beautiful kind of greenish hazel eyes, that red really just gets the eye popping. That rusty brown color. Really digging it. I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna put some liner and start with the base.
Like, I can't handle you sometimes. Like, whoa. Like, I love the sunset eye. I understand Laura's logic. I'm so obsessed with this. Like, I love it. I do.
Final look. Everything is done. She can't stop looking at herself in the mirror.
Wow, that look. He's right, though. I can't.
So, although this is not a 5-minute Friday, I did show you how to really achieve a 5-minute eye look. It's super simple. Once again, taking you back through, we put a bone color from the base all the way to the top of the brow bone, right underneath the brow. Smudged in a light brown color kind of at the base and blended that up into the crease. Kind of going at an angle, all the colors kind of going at an angle, leaving that front part nice and bright. Then we put in a rusty color right on top of that. It was more like a burgundy color. We smudged that into the lash line. Also blended that up into right where the crease is going to start. And we smudged in a really deep chocolate brown right into the lash line, kind of 3/4 of the way in, all the way to the edge. And I blended it up towards the outside a little bit stronger than I did towards the inside. And with a clean brush, I went through and just made sure everything was blended so that there are no hard lines. It looks like a beautiful sunset. We finished this look off with the mascara that I got in the Ipsy box. It's this guy right here. It is called Liquid Lash Extensions. The company is called Thrive Cosmetics. Like, wow. Just, wow. I really love it. It's a super heavy packaging. I can't get over it. It's so funny. Great mascara. Pop it into your purse. If you get mugged, you can bring this out and bam, smash someone on the top of the head with it. Just kidding. Don't do that.
The eyes.
Use it on your eyes. It's a really beautiful mascara. Way better than the one that we got last time in the box, although it was a good mascara. This way better. And I think this is made by a Korean brand. Peptides in here. The look just looks amazing. Thank you guys for watching. If you really loved the video, please give me a thumbs up. Click on that little subscribe button if you want to see more, to get notifications of when my videos come out. There's a little bell that you can click on and ring that. It'll let you know when my next video goes up. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Be kind to each other, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.